what are the chances that this is going to turn up when you do the 11 plus? Might do, they've used it before. Now, I read in a book how to... And the places it will turn up, it will either be in a sort of verbal reasoning kind of test, where you've got 3 words there and then 3 words, and you've got to find the closest in meaning, put it into the book, I shove it in there. It will turn up. So that is one of those just straight vocabulary questions, where they'll say wake here, and they'll give you 4 definitions. I want to send it, and they'll say into the editor of a magazine. Define this word. So if I was to send it into to get up the, I like that. Wake up in the morning. The editor. That would be mean to shove it up his nose. You don't necessarily have to get up. The editor. Just write not to sleep. Get arrested better, doesn't it? So you would send it in to the editor. I wake up. I think maybe the way to think of it is perhaps if you can put a little go to the funeral, have a cry, and then you go to wake to the editor. Rather traditionally, some adults get quite into, and you have a chat. You have lots. Hopefully, this wouldn't turn up. But just if you end up with a whole load of exchange anecdotes where you think there's nothing wrong or something, just be slightly aware that they and then wake also. When you've got a boat going through the water, and then you've got that sort of like smooth bit behind, and then the waves that go out, and you can see the ducks going on it. That's the wake. So those are 3 meanings of the word. See you soon.